Namaskar everyone, my name is Jagisani and today I would be sharing my experience with the Ethiglo face wash. And I saw it actually, like, it was everywhere on the internet. Like, dermatologists were recommending that no, it's really good for your skin, it's good for whitening and all. So I bought it. The first time I used it, like, I was too excited to use it, but the first time I used it, it just gave me the appearance of like open pores, enlarged pores. And after that, like, I was too scared, so I did not use it again. And after that, I got a lot of, not acne, but a bit of bumps on my skin. Then I gave it, like, maybe after 2 3 months I used it once again, and again I got so many open pores. I was like shocked. Like, this product was recommended everywhere by like all dermatologists on internet, online, but this was not uh, something that was good for my skin at all. In fact, it spoiled, it ruined my skin to some extent. So I'm really disappointed with this product, to be honest.